Hello, in this video we are going to check out top 5 best RTF FPV drone. We made this list based on my personal opinion that's a result of research for our. We rank the products based on their quality, specification and all other important facts. We have tried to select them from various price range, so you can easily find the best product for you. You will also find product links in the description. You can check everything about the products through the links. Number 5, brand name, WLRC. Model number, S90, 4K HD sensor, excellent smart shooting function, lightweight and compact body, including a powerful travel shot. The drone needs to help you discover the long-lost touch. 3-sided obstacle avoidance sensor, it can detect objects automatically and stay away from objects to avoid unnecessary collision with your drone. 6-axis gyro, which is more stable to fly and easy to control. The image transmission range and the control range of the remote control can reach up to 80 meters. The high-performance battery with 800 mAh offers a long flight time of 10 minutes. The video can be viewed in real time through the remote control, let you watch while flying. With foldable arms, it is compact and easy to carry. Number 4, brand name, XYRC. Model number, P8. It can intelligently detect obstacles encountered by the drone within about 1.5 meters to avoid damage to the aircraft. High-definition chip, remote control dual lens, built-in beauty camera, thousands of miles away, panoramic view of details. Convenient one-button hovering control, novices can quickly get started and easily realize high-altitude technical hovering. Accurately lock the height, hover stably, and prevent the screen from shaking when taking pictures and videos. 1800 mAh large capacity 3.7 volt modular battery, long battery life and easy replacement. Intelligent energy saving and power saving. With just one gesture, you can start taking photos or videos, and the recognition distance is about 2 meters. Number 3, brand name, WLRC. Model number, KK9. The drone adopts a foldable design and the folded size is small so it is easy to carry. Foldable arms, small size only 8 centimeters, easy to carry. 2.4 GHz anti-interference technology, 4 channels for ascent, descent, forward, backward, left flight, right flight and 360-degree roll, Wi-Fi FPV, optical flow, positioning, visual obstacle avoidance, 1 key takeoff, landing, return. Easily find your way home using the one-button back function, built-in 4K pixel HD camera. Surprisingly, it can capture stunning pictures and videos from the sky. With altitude hold mode function, flight is stable. Number 2. Brand name, JinHang. Model number, SG106. Newly drone with 4K HD anti-shake camera, easy to shoot high-definition movies, increase MV function, break the traditional aerial photography limit, increase music background, filter and other special effects. 2.4 GHz technology adopted for anti-interference. 4-channel which can do ascend, descend, forward, backward, left sideward fly, right sideward fly and rolling 360 degrees. The SG106 remote controller is both lightweight and portable. It is made with high-quality material that encompasses durability and good usability. Built-in double 1080 pixels HD wide-angle camera are tuned amazingly to capture stunning pictures and videos from the sky. With Wi-Fi function can be connected app to take pictures, video, real-time transmission through the phone camera image. Number 1. Brand name, Zhiyun Funbay. Model number, RG101 MAX. Possesses 360 degrees omnidirectional laser obstacle avoidance ability, flying aerial photography, lets you control more easily, easy to use, worry-free flying. folding and portable appearance. Time is recorded in one hand. A number of hardcore technology blessings. Excellent flight stabilization system. With TA, you can shoot everything. Shuttle between the woods and walk around the building complex. As agile as a bird. Can be used in more complex scenarios. And when flying at night, move obstacle avoidance. Refuse to crash. The body is comparable to the palm of your hand, so you can take it anywhere. When you encounter something fun, you can carry it quickly and easily.